Hi guys, and welcome back. Hope you guys have had a lovely Christmas. And we are going to start our monthly reading. So, starting with birth number one. So, all people born on the 1st, 10th, 19th, or 28th of any month. This is the reading for you for the month of January 2021. I'm going to start with the usual. We're going to start with the oracle card first, just to get an idea in terms of what sort of blessings are coming your way. So, the first card I have for you is number 25, which is number 7, be candid. And what it talks about is, it's talking about your throat chakra. So, working on your throat chakra, being communicative, and especially, when you have the word, say, be candid, what it's talking about is, expressing your emotions quite right, actually telling people what exactly you feel, but in a sense that, you put it in a way that it doesn't hurt any people, and people feel comfortable in your company. And then yeah, so basically that. So be more communicative, don't keep things inside you, be more open to the feedback from others, and at the same time be open about your feedback towards others. So from the Moonology card, the first card I have for you is luck on your side. So new moon in Sagittarius, so possibly you're starting January with a lot of luck on your side, a lot of good things on your side. You are going to be lucky, things are going to work out for you. This is the sort of feeling I'm getting. The next card I have for you is that you are very close to achieving your goals. So, possibly goals are coming your way. You are going to be achieving a lot of things in your life. I think the only advice with this particular card in the middle is be candid, be open, and, uh, just welcome whatever life and universe is going to bring you. Now let's go to our tarot and get really specific in terms of what is actually going to happen for you in the month of January, what sort of changes we can see in your career, in your health, in your finances, general reading. All right, so the first card I have for you is the 10 of Wheels. So 10 of Wheels, when it's from the Pentacle suite, we're talking about pentacles, as in 10 of pentacles. So a lot of things it talks about, achieving financial stability. So a lot of you, if you have not achieved financial stability, I do see you achieving financial stability. And this seems like, the overall highlight, or, the overall theme of your January, that something is going to complete a full cycle, something is going to come to an end. You are going to either get a dog, I don't know, I have a feeling some of you could be getting a dog, or some of you might have gotten a dog over Christmas. But financially, I think you guys are going to get together. A lot of people, who want to get married, or who are planning to get married, I do see you getting, meeting with suitable, people who could be, your potential bride or groom. So we are going to start with number 2, the High Priestess. So High Priestess tell me January, you need to kind of focus on your own psychic abilities. You need to kind of think about, your own gut feeling. You have to go by your gut. Whatever your gut tells you, that is something that you need to do. That's something you need to focus on. The next card I have for you is the Page of Wands. So Page of Wands tells me, especially in regards to, something in your career, or something, in your love life, you need to have a little, passionate approach. You have to be a little impatient. You have to be a little impulsive. So that's the kind of energy you need to embody, energy which tells you to kind of, explore your options, to, to get like, to make yourself open to whatever life has to, give you. So that's the energy I'm getting with the Page of Wands. The next card I have for you is the Two of Swords. So for some people, in regards to your career, especially career, or, in your personal life, I see, you are not very confident in terms of your decisions. That's why, the first card that we got was, be candid. As in, tell exactly what you want, how you want it, because that's the only way you're going to receive it. With the Two of Swords showing up, what it tells you is that, there might be situations in your life, especially in January, where you'll be double minded, or, you won't be able to take a decision in regards to something. And then you'll kind of, you'll keep bouncing on, the two steps here and there to decide exactly what you have to do. So you have to use your intellect. At the same time, swords also represent communication, and the overall theme for you guys from the Lord Ganesha oracle is basically, to be candid, to open up your throat chakra. to not feel repressed by somebody. The next card I have for you is the Three of Cups. So a lot of you, you could be hanging out, you could be going out for, parties, socializing, meeting new people. For a lot of people, who are in a job, especially with the Ten of Wheels, I do see, some kind of wish fulfillment. So if you have been waiting for a promotion, despite the times, or if you have been waiting for something new to start, I do see it happening. I do see, the entire circle of your life taking, a turn and coming. And with the Three of Cups showing here, it also tells me that, very soon you're going to be achieving those dreams, or at least you're going to be celebrating those dreams, or you'll start celebrating something. So that is very, very obvious for you guys. For a lot of people that I said, that you could be getting suitors. I think if you go to weddings, or if you go to kitty parties, or if you go to certain social gatherings, especially after on the New Year's or something, if you go to any networking or gathering event, I do see you're going to bump into somebody, and maybe this somebody has the potential to become more than a friend moving forward. The next card I have for you is the Page of Wheels. So Page of Wheels right here, possibly they could be somebody. So the way I see it is two ways. So the person that you might have met during New Year, or during this let me okay, perfect. So this person that you have met, you might have met during this time, during New Year's time, there's a possibility that this person might be a friend initially, but in the long term they would be willing to offer you a commitment. So you can expect a commitment from this person for a very few people. For the other few, what I can see is that because the overall theme is achievement of something, financial stability, with the Three of Cups, where you are celebrating something, it's going to be a start to another news that's going to come your way. Especially this news is going to come during in the second half of the year, because with the night Page of Wheels is somebody who's very slow. So you are going to get another good news, a happy news, possibly wedding news for some, but it's going to happen in the second half of the year, not yet for all the people born on 1st, 10th, 19th, or 28th. The last card I have for you, sorry, is the King of Cups. So King of Cups, 100% this person that you have met, during one of these events, or whatever parties that you attended, this person is going to offer you their love, is going to be there to support you throughout. This person is eventually going to end up being your partner. That is something I see actually very openly. um, at the same time, if I have to say something in terms of your health forecast for this month, for January, what I can say is, I think, try to stay away from stress. With the High Priestess, I do see things related to stress that could be very prominent. A lot of you might feel overworked despite COVID happening, and you getting the little time off and working from home. I do see some kind of stress surrounding you. For some people, I think there could be issues related to um, water. I don't know why, but I see water to be something very, very specific in for this people. Like, I can just sense it. So you could be suffering from issues like bloating or water retention, or something to do with water, or feeling dehydrated, or not very energetic. So make sure you drink a lot of water. Make sure you consume a lot of green veggies, to kind of help you with your overall energy levels. So I think that is for all. Let me know if this resonates, and see you next month.